Alex Kovach here with Newark Makes. Today I'm going to go through how to set up the laser correctly so that we don't cause any fires. First thing we do is look up here to our sheet on the wall. This will be a reminder of all the steps you need to take to properly set up your laser. If we look, first thing says put exhaust board in open window. I will open the window. Put in the exhaust board. This will ensure that all the smoke leaves the room. The next step is turn on the water chiller. The water chiller is over here on the cart down at the bottom. Here is a closer look at the water chiller and where that button is to turn it on. You can see just flip the little black switch. You'll hear a beeping sound, that means it's turned on. If we look up, the next is turn the laser on and wait for the IP address on the LED screen. To turn on the laser, we simply turn the red knob and then the key. Here is a close-up of the LED screen of the laser, the key, the red knob, and the lights inside the laser. The next step is to open the retina engraved software and check for a connection to the laser. That will go over to the laptop to do. After that, it's set up our job. Before we hit play, the very last thing is to turn on the exhaust. To do that, we'll just click this little power strip right here and we'll be ready to go. If you need more help setting up your cut inside retina engraved software, please see the screenshot video of how to do so on our YouTube page. Thanks for listening.